Two birds, one coot. Our bird today is a close relative of the last bird we looked at, the common gallinule. This bird, up until 2016, was one of the two species of coot native to the Americas, but now reigns supreme as the only one. Let me introduce you to the American coot, Fulica americana. This aquatic bird, while rare to the island, is making a strong return to the wetlands of Barbados. The first thing you may notice on this bird is, like its cousin, the common gallinule, it has a face shield. But you may see some birds with a red mark or a dot at the top of that white shield. Up until 2016, the bird with the all-white shield was called the Caribbean coot. But ornithologists realized that despite the slight difference in shields, both birds were genetically the same, hence merging or emerging to form one species, the American coot. Other than the shield, you also can't miss those deep red eyes of the adult coot. It has a charcoal to dark gray bulky body and has a white mark on the tail. Adult males and females look alike and can reach a length of 15 to 16 inches with a wingspan of 23 to 28 inches. Juvenile birds have olive brownish bills and a brownish gray body. They molt into adult plumage around 4 months of age. Another difference between the gallinules and coot are their feet. We saw the long toes of the common gallinule, and if you thought that looked strange, you must see the feet of the American coot. Each of the coot's toes has large flaps of skin that acts as paddles to propel it in the water and when diving. Yes, I said diving. Coots dive to feed on submerged plants and fish, but also feed on plants and plant materials above the water, including stems, leaves, and seeds of pond weeds and grasses. They also supplement their diet with non-vegetational food matter, such as insects, worms, and even eggs of other birds. Not the best of flyers, they require a run-up to take flight, but it can be spectacular to see them running on the water. Here in the water, they will use heaps of dead aquatic vegetation to build their nest. They will lay between 6 to 12 eggs that are beige with brown spots. Both the male and female will take turns incubating the eggs for about 21 to 25 days. Until recently, nesting of the American coots on the island was very rare, but in 2020, nesting was recorded at 4 locations across the island, with multiple broods being observed at some locations. American coot, a rare bird, but yet another species of bird that can be found among the diverse bird species of Barbados.